Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a blowout at home using just one product. I'm going to be using the Royal Blowout Spray by Oribe. It's one of my favorites. It's a super lightweight mist. It's going to help with frizz. It's going to help maintain your blowout. It also helps speed up dry time, which is tremendous for me because my hair takes forever to dry. So I'm just going to go in and brush through and distribute the product evenly. And then I'm going to go in with my round brush and start to blow dry. But today, instead of traditionally round brushing the hair, I'm going to be using the brush to kind of pull my hair straight and get that super sleek look. I'm going for a really, really straight style today. So this is what we're going to do. After I finish brushing, I'm going to go in and section my hair off into 3 sections. This is super important because this is going to be way easier to blow dry than it would be to just have it all down and trying to blow dry it out and really get that nice smooth look. This is going to help you tremendously. So I do like 3 sections in mine. That's what's easiest for me. And then I'm going to go in with my round brush and we're going to start blow drying. I'm using it to kind of pull the hair straight and pull out any sort of wave or curl that you may have. This is going to do most of the work for us. So when we get finished blow drying, we're barely going to have to really go over it with a flat iron. You'll see what I'm talking about. It's going to be really, really nice. As you can see, I'm not really having to do much work with my flat iron, which is really nice because usually I would have to go over it a few times, but with the Royal Blowout Spray, I'm just having to really pass over it one time to get that smooth, sleek look. Super, super great product. This is the final look. Look how nice and smooth it is. And again, I used the Royal Blowout Spray today. Thanks, guys.